Hi friends, this is Shanmugh. I'm a SQL DBA trainer. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install SQL Server 2017 in the Windows Server. Okay. So to install SQL Server 2017, first of all, you can do either you can copy the SQL Server 2017 software to the server, or else you can attach the ISO image of SQL 2017 to the Windows Server. Okay. Go to your Windows Server virtual machine settings and go to the storage. Select this CD and select the CD again and choose your SQL Server 2017. Okay, ISO image. Select it and click OK. Once you choose, go to the server, go to the C drive. Yeah, go to my computer. Just refresh it. You can see SQL software is attached. Open this one and you can start installation. Or else, if you have SQL Server software 2017 software, just copy the software from your local laptop to the Windows Server. From there also you can open the software. Okay, so I use it to prefer to attach the software instead of copy, as it will take some time to copy. Okay, so right click on the SQL Server setup file and just open it first, and you can see the setup support files, and just select this support file setup file and right click and just choose run as administrator. This is very important. Don't double click on the setup file. Sometimes it will create some issues. It is always better to open setup file with run as admin mode. It will save you, okay, in some situations. Yeah, so it will take some time. It will open installation center. Once installation center is open, you can proceed for the installation. So in this video, I'll show you for the SQL Server standalone instance, not cluster instance. I'll show you how to install SQL Server standalone instance. Okay, so you can see SQL Server standalone. Okay, you can see here SQL Server standalone installation center, not standalone SQL Server installation center. So by using this installation center, you can do a lot of things like installing SQL servers, installing cluster instances. Okay, so these kind of things you can see using this installation center. Go to the installation page, select this first option, SQL Server standalone installation. Just select that first option. Right, of course I'm going to install developer edition. So developer edition is already selected. Any edition, the process is same, developer enterprise. Okay, so in case if you have like if you want to install other free editions like evaluation, express edition and all, you can select the drop down and you can just choose the edition. Okay, so but edition, for every edition the process is same, simply the package is going to be changed. That's it. Next, I accept the license terms. Next, if you want, you can just click on show details to see if any check is failed or succeeded. Next, it is going to install some setup components. Right, and again some rules run, and you can see here all the rules either has to be successful or warning or skipped. In case if any rule is failed, even single rule is failed also, you cannot proceed for the installation. Okay, you have to fix that rule, fix that issue, and then you can proceed for it. Go next and choose the features, what and all features you want to install. Okay, you can choose the features. Especially for SQL Server installation, database engine is very important. Replication is a feature, it is also very important, and full text is also very important. These are the important features that you have to choose these features if you want to install SQL Server. In the same way, we have shared components. In the shared components, select the client tools connectivity, client tools backward compatibility, client tools SDK, SQL client connectivity SDK. One more tool you can see, SQL client connectivity SDK. So you can easily see wherever you can see client, you can select those shared features as well. Okay, right. So 4 shared features I choose, and then you can see 3 specific features also we have selected, and you can proceed for next. So here it will ask default instance, named instance. I hope you know the difference between default and named instance. If not, you can watch my old videos. There you can find, okay, what is the difference between default and old. So I'm installing default instance. In a machine, you can install only one default instance. Okay, you can install 49 named instances. Instance means a SQL server. One SQL server software copy is one instance. So in a machine, you can install only one default instance. These are the service accounts. I'm just keeping the service accounts as it is. Okay. Make sure you choose automatic. Okay, for the SQL Server agent, and of course database engine also automatic. These are the virtual service accounts. You don't need any passwords. If you want a customized service accounts, you can create a customized service account and you can change the customized service account. In the next video, I'll show you how to create a customized service account and how to change it. Okay. Collation settings, nothing to change here. Simply, it's a default collation settings equal Latin 1 general CP1 CIS. Collation means language settings. So it's a default collation settings. If you want to change the language settings, you can go to customize whatever language you want to choose. You can choose the language as well. Okay. From here, you can choose the language as well, what language you need. Okay, so like this, you can select the collation setting, but by default collation is Latin 1 general CP1 CIAS. Okay, make sure it was selected. Okay, go next. And Windows authentication, mixed mode authentication. As of now, I'm choosing Windows authentication. Here, select the add current user. If you don't select add current user, or if you don't add anyone in the screen, they cannot, no one can access the SQL server. Make sure at least you should add one account here, so that this account as of now can access. This account will get sysadmin privileges in the SQL server. So you can log in with this account, and if you want to provide access to anyone, you can create the accounts and all. You can provide the permissions and all. Okay, so I'm choosing only Windows authentication. Data directories. Okay, in which directory? In the SQL server we have a lot of things to store. Okay, data files, log files, tempdb files, backup files. So for all these things, you are giving same location. You can give the same location. If you want to give a different location, you can give the different location as well. And here I'm just keeping as it is. I'm not changing anything. In the C drive only. TempDB, of course, it will also store in the C drive only. If you want change, you can change the path. File stream, nothing to worry. If you are storing any video related content, you can go for video related content. You can go for file stream. So as of now, I don't have any video related content. So simply go next. That's it. This is the final screen. You can see this screen and you can just click on install button. Okay, so installation is started, and again, to install the SQL Server, .NET Framework is must. If you don't install .NET Framework, okay, in the machine, your installation will not be proceed. So make sure you have .NET Framework in the machine. Okay, I'm pausing this installation. Okay, and again, I'll show you the success screen once the installation is completed. Right. In this way, you can see the installation is succeeded or not. You can see all the components are successfully installed, especially this database engine services is very important. And you can see you have to verify whether all components are successfully installed or not. So all the components are successfully installed. In this way, you can install SQL Server 2017 in the Windows Server. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.